Hey there, beautiful. Thank you for clicking my video. In today's video, I'm doing a wig show and tell on a wig that was sent to me from RPGSHOW. If you would like to purchase this wig or check out RPGSHOW other wigs, I will have the website links below in the description box. Feel free to check those out. When you order from RPGSHOW, the wig comes neatly packaged. They send you a slip with your order information, a card that displays where you can find them on social media, a sample of a shampoo and conditioner, a My First Wig Flyweight Tamer, a wig cap that comes with 2 pieces, a velvet headband, and a RPGSHOW storage bag. Here's a close-up of inside of the wig cap construction. It comes with a 13x6 frontal parting space. Behind the frontal parting space, you get 2 combs, another comb and a nape area with adjustable straps. The cap material is made on a stretch fit breathable material. By also looking underneath the lace, you can tell that the knots come bleached. The lace is HD soft lace. The hair comes pre-colored and the hair texture feels silky. Let me not also forget to mention they inserted a adjustable elastic band. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. Here's a close-up on the hairline. The hairline comes pre-plucked. The knots come bleached. This wig comes as a middle part, but like I said, it comes with a 13x6 frontal parting space, so you can part it in the right, middle, or left, but I'm just going to leave it as a middle part. So off camera, I went in and straightened the wig. The hairline looks great. This is how the hairline comes when you get it. But I noticed I have some flyaways at the top. So to take care of those flyaways, I'm going to go in with the My First Wig Flyaway Tamer and apply some of that flyaway tamer to the flyaways. Then go in with my hot comb to help melt the product in. To cut off the extra lace, I'm going to go in with this eyebrow razor. I like to start in the middle. So first I cut the middle, then work my way up to the hairline, then take the razor and cut right along the hairline in little zigzag motions. Now that I think about it, some of you might be like, Kara, why do you have on gloves in the video? I was bleaching knots doing other wigs for my wig show and tell to review, so don't mind the gloves. There's lace in the nape area as well. Be sure to cut that off too. So I love how they did the coloring. The highlights isn't too much. I love how the highlight fade into the brown. Really cute. So now it's time for the wig install. For this wig show and tell, I noticed the wig looks like it fit pretty snug, so I didn't want to hook the adjustable straps too close. But as for the elastic band, I hooked it on the second hook that it comes with. Underneath the wig, I'm going in with a brown stocking cap. And yes, I saw the little rip in my stocking cap, so if you saw that, don't laugh at me. I need to get a new one. Right now, I don't have any product on the lace. So on top of the lace, I'm going to take my leftover foundation that's on my brush and just wipe the remaining product on top of the lace of the hairline. The hairline on the wig is a little longer than my hairline, so I'm going to go in and cut off some of the ear tabs. After cutting off the ear tabs, I like how the wig hairline lays on my hairline now. And it looks really good without any product on the lace. Like, it's blending in nice without any glue. So I would like to spray down the ear tabs. And to spray down the ear tabs, I'm going to go in with this olive oil super hold spray. And I spray from the ear tab up to my temple. After that, I go in with the blow dryer on the warm setting and blow dry that spot until it's completely dried. Okay, not bad, not bad. All I did was take the spray and spray from the ear tabs up to my temple. I don't have any spray on my forehead because I like how the lace blended with my forehead without any product to hold down the lace. So now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360. And I'm going to take some of this powder and apply it on top of the lace to the parting space. So this can help hide my stocking cap underneath and hide the grids that's on the lace as well. This was the amount of shedding I got, and to me, that's low. Okay, beautiful. Right here is my end results. So I'm just going to say my final thoughts on this wig. On the RPG Show website, this wig is available in 3 options. I have the same color as the picture on their website. The length of the wig is 18 inches and my height is 5'6". Again, the hair feels and looks silky. I can't admit this wig looks exactly like the picture on the website. That's good because a lot of these websites have a habit of taking pictures that don't match what you receive. This is a beginner-friendly wig. All I had to do was cut the lace and straighten the hair. The hairline comes really nicely plucked to the point. I didn't even have to add any baby hairs and the lace looks great. If you want more of a flatter melt, then I recommend tying down the lace. But because I'm doing a wig show and tell and I just want to show you guys how I got my end results, I just kept it nice and simple. I really like how on the RPG Show website, you can get a custom size fit for your wig. So they offer cap size 1 and cap size 2. I have cap size 2, or if I believe cap size B, something like that. And it fits really good. I still have a lot of stretch cap room left in here. So if your head is like 22 inches to a 23 inch, then I recommend cap size B. When I split the hair in the back, my tracks isn't showing and you can't see my wig cap. When I was styling this wig, I did most of my styling off camera. And I got 0 tangling when I was going through with the comb and the flat iron. I also did get some shedding. I showed you guys the shedding, and to me the shedding is really low. This hair have a really nice flow. Like when I move, it moves just like that. Yes, come through, silky bouncy hair. I think it's really cute and it's a nice wig for every day. I did go in and cut the hair while it was on the mannequin head. I could have did a little better with the cut. I can admit that, but it's still not too bad. I think it gets to the point of this wig show and tell to help whoever out for whoever's curious on what this wig looked like, or if they're looking for a new style, or if you just clicking to support your girl. So that's pretty much it. I'm not too much of a fan of the color on me, but otherwise I do think the wig is gorgeous and they did a great job with their new invisible knots. It's definitely giving scalp. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, beautiful.